A good breakfast is good for you if you are going to have a long day. Welcome to another episode of Zanzibar Adventures. Today we are going to Nungwi and we want to see how Nungwi is, what makes Nungwi and things like that. Come along and let's explore Nungwi together. Nungwi is within the north coast of Zanzibar. We have been to East Coast, we've been to West Coast, and now time for north coast. So when you are in Nungwi, you can actually do a lot of things. Nungwi can be your bearing, but you go on day trips to different islands. You can access Mnemba Island, you can access Kendwa Beach, you can go to like different islands. Boat tours, Safari Blue, just within Nungwi. So welcome aboard. This is Nungwi Beach or Aluna Beach.
Have you walked the hills of a highland trail? All my friends are there, but she's a comfortable girl. And
I spoke to the guys behind us and they told me that it takes roughly 3 months for them to finish making a dam. It takes roughly 3 months, and these small ones take up to 1.5 months to use mahogany tree. Different nails or it takes time, it requires hard work. Majority of people making those things are old people. Old people take care of things and they are very efficient as compared to us young guys. The young people I saw there are so determined, and if you like their work, you will need something small to like keep them with their thing, because that's a good job they are doing. So it's also like a form of environment around this place, because you see this boat, there are so many, and the fishermen depend on this boat for their living. So it's also a source of income. At the end of the day, everyone is earning, both the fishermen, the service providers, those who are drivers, the ones who take people like on the boat. So it's an economic activity here in all around the place. Good thing for us.
And he's already found his chair. Still happiness waits in the bridges.
I've seen fishermen's hotel where you can get food at local prices and they serve really nice food. So we go there sometime later. And have also seen Nungwi Beach Resort. There are a lot of resorts around the beach. You can book them online or you can check on them later. So these are the roads around Nungwi, and that is an example of Zanzibar taxis.
You can find it there.
Nungwi Beach Resort is just there.
Have you held the hand of a summer wind?
Bari, over.
I know it'll guide you well, but she's a busy girl, and he's forgotten the sounds of the snow.
So if you want to go to Nungwi Resort,
and the rain of a cool
this is another one. It's called Mnarani.
happiness waits. Yes, and happiness waits.
There's so many accommodations around Nungwi.
Towns across the world.
In this area you can really get a lot of things. You can get taxis, you can get a lot of services from here. There are coffee shops, there are taxis around this place. Then you can hire basically taxis, you can book accommodation, you can get excursions. Like you can do a lot, you can also change your currencies. I've also seen Kenya shillings exchange at the rate of 17 per 1. So you can do a lot with this area, but we are not walking this today. This area you can get souvenirs, a lot of artwork, a lot of beading, weaving, and like, guys, you are really doing the most. You can go and promote them if you want. They are doing really beautiful job around this place.
Yes, and happiness waits. In the bridges connecting all the little towns across the world.
Everywhere.
In the street,
You also do art. Just look at this. Wow, now they're drawing a thing, looking at a photo and drawing it. So even if you want a picture of yourself, have a photo, you just give him and he will do justice to it. Na ukichanganya hivi hii michanganyiko yote haziwezi mix, ama ikimix ndio tena.
Sometimes una mix kwa kutafuta rangi nyingi.
Huu hapa mwenyewe anasema hayuko Instagram. Horse ride. Look at this Kenyan. Look at this. See our flag.
have you seen the sun over the seas? All seven call for me. But she's in the throes of love, and he's a lonely lad.